Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a massive cleanup of my workspace here. This room is basically my office slash craft room slash beauty room. And I have been working on a lot of different DIY projects over the past couple of weeks, and this room has seriously gotten out of control. There is literally junk everywhere. So my plan of attack is starting with picking up all the garbage first. So I just have a garbage bag and I'm basically just going through everything I know is trash. And then I am also making piles. When I have a lot to clean up, I like to sort things into different piles based on how they're organized or where they need to go. So if you've been watching any of my recent videos lately, you know I have quite the plethora of faux flowers. So I'm just using this wastebasket that I'm not using as a wastebasket to store all my fake flowers in for now. My desk was seriously like sticky note madness. I have so many sticky notes, and a bunch of them were no longer relevant, so I'm just throwing a lot of those away. Then I'm just gonna organize my makeup a little bit here. I usually end up moving all this stuff when I like to sprawl out with my arts and crafts projects. I do not currently have a good organizational system put in place for all my arts and craft supplies, so anything that I know I'm going to be using in the near future, I am just gathering up and putting in this basket for now. Here's the pile I made of all the home decor items that I am bringing downstairs and putting away with the rest of my home decor stuff. I will be completely making over the closet in this room, hopefully in the next couple weeks, and get a good system put in place, so stay tuned for a video about that. I had been working with some Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree, and it seriously got all over my carpet. It was everywhere, and not only in this room, but I had been tracking it all around the house, so I definitely needed a really good vacuum in here. And then I just made sure I gave all my surfaces in this room a really good dusting as well, because they were pretty bad. I still have lots of plans to change this space and customize it more to my liking, so I will definitely be making some videos about the updates I do to this room. And here's an overview of my cleaned room. It feels so good to have this place picked up and back in order. It had been really messy for a couple of weeks now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like organizational videos like this one, and I'll see you guys next time.